Okay, question number 18, you are required to express this in terms of partial fractions. So after you express, let me factorize the denominator into r plus 1 and r minus 1. Then I split up using partial fractions using cover-up rule. So this is pretty easy. I think all of you can do it up to this step here. Now you notice that you need to sum up two terms, which looks like a question for method of difference. So for method of difference, first of all, you need to define your AR term. Natural choice. Over here you got half r plus 1, negative half r plus 1, and half r minus 1. So the natural choice for you to choose your your AR term would be, let AR be equals to 1 over 2r. That's a natural choice because you notice that you got 1 over 2r plus 1 and 1 over 2r minus 1. So to be easy, let AR be 1 over 2r. So AR plus 1 will be equals to 1 over 2r plus 1. Replace your r with r plus 1. AR minus 1 will be equal to 1 over 2r minus 1. Easy. So from here, sub in. This would be minus AR plus 1. Follow? This term here would be plus AR minus 1, where AR is equal to 1 over 2R. Easy. Let's expand out a few terms to look at the pattern and how they cancel out each other. So first of all, you sub in r equals to 2. When r equals to 2, this term is equal to negative A3. This term is equal to negative A1. So you have negative A3 plus A1. This is the first set. Plus, okay, when r equals to 3, when we move on to r equals to 3, you get minus A4 plus A2. When r equals to 4, you get minus A5 plus A3. Perhaps the pattern of cancelling is not so obvious, but you can really see a few terms that cancels out each other. You see, it cancels somehow like that. Now, if you still can't see the pattern, it's fine. You can expand on a few more terms first. So you notice that you get A6 plus A4 plus minus A7 plus A5. So on and so forth. Until you just, let me write out a few more terms before an. So you get minus a, let this be the n minus 1 set, okay? When r equals to n minus 1, then you have an plus an minus 2. And finally, when r equals to n, you get minus an plus 1 plus an minus 1. So if you look at how the terms cancel out each other, they cancel out like kind of diagonally, but in alternating rows. So eventually the minus A4 and A4 will still cancel out each other. Now if we just examine the first set here, okay, from the first few terms, you notice that eventually you cancel out, you'll be just left with A1, A2 and the last two terms on at the end here. So eventually, if we consider the sequence all the way, the expression all the way up to n, everything will cancel out except leaving behind this term A1, A2, minus an and minus an plus 1. So if you do that straight away, A1 plus A2 minus an plus 1. Now bear in mind what is your AR. Your AR is 1 over R. So A1 should be 1 over 2 times 1. 1 over 2 times 2 minus 1 over 2 times n minus 1 over 2 times n minus 1. Okay, expression looks a bit complicated, but I think you can simplify it by adding up the constant terms together and you will be able to get 3/4 minus away 1 over 2n minus 1 over 2n minus 1. I think n plus 1, there's a careless mistake. Okay.